Hey guys, I'm Stuart from AMZScout. For new sellers, one question keeps coming up over and over again. What products should I sell? With that in mind, in this video, we're going to list 10 awesome niches we found using the AMZScout PRO Extension. I'll walk you through each of these and talk about what makes them desirable. But before I forget, remember to check out our newest mini course and free ebook in the description below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all that AMZScout news. In this video, we discuss margins. A margin is the percentage of total revenue from selling an item that's profit to you. Full disclosure, our margin calculation using the AMZScout PRO Extension incorporates only Amazon's fees. It does not take into account the cost per unit or things like shipping. But luckily, we made this easy for you. All you need to do is use the FBA calculator, input the information, and you'll have the most accurate margin estimator around. With that out of the way, let's get started. On the top of our list is beer buckles. Beer buckles are belt buckles that have a bottle opener on them, allowing you to open your beer. Strange product, but that doesn't mean that they aren't great to sell on Amazon. There seems to be limited competition, and they don't have a lot of reviews, allowing you to compete as a new seller. Most buckles are engraved, which is a great opportunity for you to differentiate and keep hijackers away. Our next niche is Bluetooth-enabled earbuds. We've all been there. You're on the treadmill, so you want to listen to music, and you take out your earbuds, and they're all, tangled, and you can't, untangle them while you're running, because that's a big freaking mess, and it's a big pain. Of course, Apple will happily sell you a pair of AirPods for the low price of $159. But based on our research, Amazon customers are begging sellers for a solution. Why is this such a great niche? Well, there are dozens of sellers whose earbuds have a BSR under $25,000. That indicates that it's a quick sell with average margins over 80%. And it looks like those sellers are still earning very healthy profits. Up next, slices of wood. What? It may be basic, but shoppers are paying good money to have a little piece of nature. The best part is, there isn't any big brand names, and no one's really cornered the wood slice market. One word of warning though, this product does seem highly seasonal. So you'll see more sales during a certain time of year. Plan accordingly. Coming in at number 6, anti-snoring devices. On Amazon, you can find all kinds of snoring prevention devices. Ones that you wrap around your chin, some that you just plug into your nose, some pieces of plastic that you put into your mouth, all kinds. But based on our research, there's still more room for sellers and more types of products. The average margin in this niche is over 60%. And the average rating for these products is less than 4 stars, which suggests that there's a lot of room for improvement. Our next great niche, Afro Wigs. Our software estimates that many sellers are doing quick business here. And with a profit margin of 60%, you might feel like disco dancing if you launch a product in this category. On the topic of makeovers, we have Quartz Face rollers. Using quartz rollers is currently all the rage. And through our research, we can see that this niche isn't saturated yet. Better yet, existing listings leave much to be desired, which is an in for new sellers to make improvements. One word of warning here. Products in the health and beauty category tend to have gating restrictions. That means that Amazon has restrictions on who can sell in this category. So if you're going to go with face rollers, make sure that you get all the approval from Amazon first. Next up, self-locking cable loop ties. Lots of new sellers go after niches that are fun to sell. But that very logic means that there can be a lot less competition in a boring niche. And our data backs this up with this particular niche, as it appears wide open, with few sellers, no major brand names, and relatively few reviews on the products that are already listed. So we got 7 down, 3 to go. Travel trays for children. These are useful for keeping kids occupied during long flights and car trips. Putting all their toys and books and games in one place, the little ones will hopefully fuss and fidget less. And there's definitely nothing in this niche for sellers to complain about. This category sports an average margin of over 60%, and a fairly high price point, meaning that you can generate more revenue with fewer sales. Now, as with the face rollers, Amazon can be a little bit of a stickler when it comes to approving sellers in the toys and games category. So make sure you're cleared before you spend any money on inventory. On to our next to last product niche, unicorn dreamcatchers. If you have a daughter at home, you might understand that unicorn themes are on all sorts of products. Notebooks, backpacks, shoes, you name it. Even dreamcatchers. And Amazon shoppers are proving eager to snatch that up. Average margins for this category clock in at over 60%, and based on how unsaturated the niche is, it looks like sellers have been slow to respond to the trend, which means it's a perfect opportunity for you to beat others to it. Last but not least, aromatherapy air purifiers. Based on our research, aromatherapy is increasingly popular. With an average margin of 63%, very few brand names to compete with, and shoppers willing to fork over about $25 for a product, these purifiers smell like money. All right, that's all we have for this video. We hope you found these ideas to be just the thing you need for you to take your next steps with your Amazon business. But now, it's your turn. What categories have you been eyeing for your business? And what's that one thing you're looking for when you're evaluating new product ideas? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. If you're looking for more information about selling on Amazon, be sure to check out our Facebook page, blog, or the rest of our videos. I'm Stuart with AMZScout. Thank you so much for watching.